Hello everyone, today we're diving into Nova AI, a powerful tool for video editing with some incredible AI-driven features. Let's explore how Nova AI can streamline your editing process and enhance your videos. First off, Nova AI offers automatic subtitle generation and translation, making it a breeze to add subtitles to your digital and social content. It's not just a video editing tool, it's a comprehensive package designed to simplify your workflow. Currently available on Appsumo, Nova AI has garnered over 27 positive reviews, indicating its effectiveness and user satisfaction. Now, let's talk about the plans. When you subscribe, you'll receive all future Pro Plan updates. The main difference between plans lies in storage and the number of hours allotted for automatic subtitles and translations per month. With the 1-year license, you'll get 4 hours and 250 stories, while the 4-year license boosts this to 50 hours and 2 terabytes of storage. Now let's take a closer look at the tool itself. Upon logging in, you'll be greeted by the Nova AI dashboard, which is intuitive and user-friendly. To start a project, simply click on Create Project. On the left side, you'll find the Files section where you can upload your assets like logos and content. Your storage capacity is displayed here, and you can expand it with additional purchases. Once your project is set up, you can upload your video. Nova AI offers multiple options for adding videos, from your existing library via upload, or by inserting a link, such as a TikTok or YouTube link. For our review, let's upload a video from our library. Simply drag and drop and hit OK. Your video is now imported, and you can start editing. Nova AI provides a range of editing features. You can easily navigate through your video by dragging the timeline marker. Playback is smooth, allowing you to pinpoint the sections you want to edit. Furthermore, resizing your video is a breeze. With just a click, you can adjust the dimensions, whether you're aiming for a square format or another aspect ratio. You can also get a 10% discount by buying Nova AI from Appsumo. In conclusion, Nova AI offers a seamless editing experience with its user-friendly interface and powerful AI-driven features. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or social media enthusiast, Nova AI can elevate your video editing game. Don't forget to click the link in the description to try Nova AI for free.